Hi folks, have I got a treat for you? And this is my Epson projector EB-41X. A lot of people are complaining about sound coming from it because all they seem to get is the inbuilt speaker on this thing, which is really tinny. Problem is, it's the audio inside of the projector, and whatever you plug into that, you're only going to get sound coming out of this speaker built into the projector, which is tinny and awful. Plus you only get a one HDMI socket as well. So, but what I've done is I've converted mine to 3 HDMI outputs by plugging into this device, which I paid £20 for it, and it's also an audio extractor, and we'll come to that in a minute. I'll give you a sound test. So what the audio extractor does, when you plug your HDMI cable into this box, the audio side gets split from the video side and converts it into this part of the box, which is a headphone socket, or this one's got a Toslink socket, digital audio. So basically you can plug that into your PlayStation, you can plug that into the back of your TV, and the beauty of it is it's giving me 3 HDMI sockets, which, as you can see on there, I've got a Google Chromecast. So let's test this unit out on my 133-inch screen. Alright, let's put some music on. Hopefully, let me put that on the PlayStation. Right, this is the built-in speaker. And that's on volume 9. Absolute terrible tinny. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this built-in speaker off, and then we're going to go over to this unit that I've got over here, which is the Logitech Z550 or something, 5500, which the system is just down. That's the bass speaker. Then I've got one of the satellite speakers down there, one up there. So this is the sound you can be getting from your projector. Bearing in mind that's quite low. I'll put it next to the sub. If you're listening to it here and it's only low, it's a thunderous sound. Absolute crazy. It's actually making the room shake. Right, so let me go back to the original sound of the projector, and you can certainly tell the difference. This is the original sound of the projector. Yes, I do. And you should know. And basically all that system is connected to is a headphone socket on this box. That's all I'm using. So if that's any help to anybody that's got a Epson EB-X41, glad I could help you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.